Hey you guys, in front of me right here you see some paint samples. I asked my neighbor to bring me home some of these because I was thinking about painting my kitchen, but I didn't like the colors that he brought to me, so I'm just gonna cut them up like I have in right here. I did have a request to do a paper cutting video, so I thought this would make for a nice sound here, cutting up these thick paper paint samples. So I'm gonna begin. I find these colors are just too dark, too depressing for a kitchen. So I'm going to cut these up. Maybe you guys can suggest a color for me for my kitchen. It's not very big. There's only one window. So maybe a color that would make it seem like it's bigger than what it is. Give the illusion that it's bigger. I don't really like yellow. These colors would work for me either. Too dark. No, not nice. Not for a kitchen anyway. Tumbleweed Trail. Some of the names of these paints are really nice. Some are very ridiculous. I just saw one titled Onion something tan, onion skin tan. It's horrible. I heard that some people find that a blue shade in the kitchen is very cold, but a nice burgundy shade in the kitchen is very warm. So if you're trying to lose weight, you put blue on your walls because then you won't want to stay in your kitchen for long. But if you're comfortable sitting in your kitchen and eating for a while and taking your time or whatever, you can put a nice warm color there. And that's what I heard. Don't like these colors either. It wouldn't look nice in my kitchen. I don't stay in my kitchen for long, just to cook and that's it. I don't always sit in my kitchen and eat. I live alone. So Sometimes I bring my food in the living room. I have one of those tables. You can just rest your food on there and you don't have to worry about it spilling on your furniture and stuff. I love cooking. Mostly for other people, not for myself too much, but I do enjoy it. So yeah, I would really like to know what kind of colors you guys have in your kitchen, in your walls, and decor. My favorite color is green. I have green on my bedroom walls. In my living room, I have a nice burgundy accent color, and then the other colors are a nice neutral. It's like a pale, I guess you could call it maybe a beige or something. I don't really know. I can't remember. Like a skin tone, I guess. I don't know. Very neutral. Like warm colors, burgundies, wood, birch, maple, and a nice big mirror on my living room wall above a couch that I have. It's really pretty. My dad got it for me one Christmas and I just love it. Cats. I gotta do something about these cats. I'm getting into everything. They were sleeping. These aren't so bad, but I don't see them on my kitchen wall. Linen white. I don't know. Guess maybe I'm picky. Obviously. I saw something on the internet though when I was looking at kitchens and things. Had a nice color. I didn't write it down, so hopefully I can find it again because that color was perfect. Really liked it. So I've decided that I'm going to start a diet and exercise program. I want to lose 15 pounds. I'm 5'4". I plateaued at 130. Sometimes I go up between 130 and 135. I might make a couple videos about it. We'll see. I don't know if that would be something you guys would be interested in. Not overweight or anything, just need to tone up a bit. I think that I eat fine, like my diet, it's fairly healthy. The problem is I don't exercise. and maybe that has to do because it's cold outside. I'm not a winter person, but once the weather gets a little warmer, I will be outside a lot and doing a lot of walking and hiking again, so that'll help. But I am saving for an elliptical. I used to have an exercise bike, but I didn't use it a lot, so I sold it. These colors are nice, actually. I like this one, contemporary white. It's pretty nice. What's this one? Carolina Strand. Those are nice. I might keep those the way they are, not cut them up. These ones I do not like at all. They're terrible. Not for any room in my apartment. I wouldn't put any of these colors on the walls. That's just my opinion. I'm going to make a few videos this weekend. I had some really great requests, such as this one, and I think they're going to be a lot of fun. There's one that I got, which was a fashion show. Don't think I can put on clothes and walk around in front of the camera for you all. But I might put some outfits together on a hanger, on like different hangers or something, or lay them out on the bed or something. Show how I would put together an outfit and what accessories I would wear along with that outfit, or shoes, or, you know, just talk about it. Not very trendy, but yeah, I like to be comfortable. I like to dress up when I go out, of course. Get all decked out. So, let's see what I can do with that one. I think gentle whispering, I could see her doing that. Trying on clothes for us and walking in front of the camera. That would be really neat. I know that she could do that very well. Everything she puts out is just, yeah, it's great. Is this the last one, guys? Another channel I like is the Water Whisperer. She is really good. So if you haven't checked out her channel, go over there after this. Tell her I sent you. I think you guys will like her. She's really nice, and her videos are very relaxing. And yeah, she's nice to talk to you as well. She's very personable. I like that. So I had this one circled because I was thinking about it, but now I might also think about some of these, but see, in different light it doesn't look right now. I don't know, I guess it's getting darker in my living room. So maybe something like that. I don't think that's too bad. We shall see. And then I'll take some pictures of my kitchen once it's painted and decorated the way I would like it to be decorated. That's a lot of samples. I should just go over to Home Depot myself and see what they have there. Men and women, I think we have different tastes. But it was nice of them to bring these to me, and I appreciated it. Alright guys, so that's it for now. I hope you liked it.